The first one is the model itself. What is a model? A model is a neural network that was trained by lots of images and descriptions. So you take an image, you give it data, you said this is a man, this is a woman. And then it starts to learn about those words, about the word and the corresponding images. Now, the model itself is actually the part that take the meaning and convert it to an image. Actually take it and convert it to an image using noise. And what does it mean? Let's see here. So I will have a simple flow without any data. Okay. So I have here the loader of the model itself. I have here the input, which is the positive, and I have the input of the negative. Now, in the case sampler is the part that actually take the model and use it. But I want to cut it a little further for you. Technically, we are starting with an empty image, and as we said, it's using noise. What is noise? Let's see here. Here I have multiple steps of the same image. First of all is the blank image, which is this one. You can see that there is nothing in the image. It's empty. It's totally empty. After that, to get a different data, different images, we can start from the same image. If we start always from this, we will get the same image each time. So we need to variate it. How we do it? We do it using a seed, noise seed. So usually we have the value here, but I want to separate it for you to give you more glance of how it looked like before you have an image. So I took the empty image, which is that. You can see it here. And I have the image after I merge it with some noise. So I took the empty, I gave it noise, and now you can see that you have another image. You see here the image. Now, this image is actually noise. You can't understand anything from it. But because the noise is different each time, it's given the system the option to give you an image and another thing. So let's change the noise here just with one number and run it. You saw that the noise change. So we have a different noise, and by the way, the numbers here are the thing that we have here, sequential number, are not meaning anything to the sequence of the noise. It's just a random a number that will signify for you that this is the same noise as before. So if I will run it now with the new noise, you saw it changed. Now I will run it with the same noise, it won't change. You will have the same noise. Okay, so the model itself take the noise and by steps and algorithm that we will talk later, actually create a new image. So let's give the same number of noise here, and run it. So the noise won't change, but the image itself will change because it's now starting with a different noise. Okay? Now you see garbage. Why? Because there is no input. Also before, but it understood the input somehow. Let's give it another number. Now I got something. Okay? It's like, I don't know what it is, rocks, whatever, but it's noise. Because there is nothing here in the input. But the system can understand something from it. Let's try with another parameter. With the same noise. Let's see what we'll get. Same. Okay? So Let's try with another noise. The noise change here. Here it's still the same because it's the empty one. Now I got a different noise. It looks like small rocks, okay? But still there is nothing here. Now, the model tried to take the text that we are giving him. Right now we didn't give him anything. And this text, we are converting it. It's trying to understand from the meaning, from the words, and try to convert, to take the noise and make it to a new image. So let's give it a word, I don't know, window. Okay, just window, and let's run it. The noise is the same. We got a window. Okay, now let's change the noise in one number. The noise changed. And also the window. Now, if I will run it again with the same number, I will get nothing change. Okay, there is nothing to change when all the values are the same. So although it's random, if you give the same number that came in the random order, you will still get it as the same result. Okay. Now, all those numbers here will determine the outflow, the outcome. So let's change it to 25. I'm with the same noise. The same noise, but the result now, the model can work on the image a little more. Okay, so the interesting thing is that the model tried to take the noise that we are giving it, and it convert and it tried to make sense of it with the input and make it to an image. Now, the model, all this system come with another part, which is the clip.